here we are. We are back at it.
Every day.
Every day.
Every darn day.
Every darn day, but I see progress.
Yeah. So here's what we were talking about yesterday, or I was actually, about leaving these edges wild. These are just separate panels, and I left these edges wild, or
Define wild.
unsecured down, not stapled in, for a reason. First of all, I did place some vinyl strips in here, black, and stapled them in so that just in the event that there might be a slight little reveal of that underboard, I did the same thing on the headboard too. So it just assures that the black will be black and won't show through. So I did staple this, and this edge, fit these really closely, make sure they all fit. Then I will take some liquid nails, spread it on here, stick it on there.
Product endorsement there.
Oh, sorry. A little
construction adhesive.
Excuse me,
Whatever.
strike that.
No, it's fine.
Then what I will do is peel this back just a tad and throw a staple down there in there to secure it, and then I will go up underneath and staple from the substrate board into here just enough to grab the board that's sitting on top. Then, being wild here and here, it gives me some flexibility then to really tighten that down and make it nice and smooth, both here and on this edge too, before this panel then gets put on, and it just leaves a real nice butt right there without any like puckers and loose.
And we have decided.
Yes. We felt that this door needed just a little more pizzazz, so we're gonna put a little stainless strip across here, which will indent a little bit like this, which will wrap around on the sides here.
Yeah, it looks good. It's dirty.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is actually, will get flipped over. That's the factory
yes.
edge. Alrighty, good afternoon, everybody. Crafty B and
Stitch.
coming at you. Well, take a look at this door panel. It is done. We're down to the final detail, and that would be this piece of I know I just about stabbed it. Oh, you would hang me out to dry.
yes,
So
I
I'm
would.
peeling off the protective coating. Throw it on the floor like everything else, and that's gonna go right. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Now the question is, do we just glue it?
No.
Or do we add our little special details that we like to use? Not sure. I like it with them.
I like it with them for a couple of reasons. It adds strength. I mean, you can screw right into the actual door panel, but also because if this is glued on, there's different layers of vinyl underneath there, and I guess if it doesn't adhere very well to that, then you have a problem.
You'd have a problem.
Yeah, so I kind of like these on there, actually. I don't know, what do you think? It's almost done.
Well, I think it looks great, and I'm excited to get it attached to that empty door we've been looking at for all these months.
And what I have to do yet is that. You can grab that. This was the old cover that went,
Hinge covers.
yeah, hinge covers that went here. I dyed it and they just look hideous still.
That's not good.
So Stitch is peeling it off and I'm gonna cover those. And it's done.
It's done.